Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're going to begin by testing this rocket espresso machine. First we'll purge the heat exchanger. That looks good. We'll pull a shot. About 9 bars of pressure, so that's good. Getting some camo. It's not great, but I think this coffee is a little old. But it's okay, about a 1/16 of an inch. Test the steam. Hot water. But yeah, we haven't worked on this machine yet. We're just doing an initial test. And you can hear when I pull this lever, you're going to hear it pop. So yeah, that's definitely a problem that needs to be fixed. We need to fix the valves inside of here. And I'll just show you one other thing here. You can see this is the pressure sensor. And you can see some carbon buildup. Let's take my screwdriver here. So you can see how the contacts have some pretty heavy wear on them, but they're working right now, so I don't think we should address it yet until it stops working. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.